So in this video, I wanted to show you guys a quick little tutorial of how I cut my hair at home. I haven't been to a hairstylist to get a professional trim in, let me see, about 4 years, because that's about how long I've been natural. And if you've been following me for a long time, I big chopped and I've never went to a professional hairstylist to do anything. I big chop my hair myself and I cut my hair myself, or hubby does it for me. So in this video, I'm going to show you how I clip my ends to make sure that my hair doesn't split up the shaft, and that when I do my twist out and my braid out and my protective styling, that my hair is still nice. And when you trim your hair often or regular, it promotes hair growth, and it also makes your style last longer and also gives you more definition. So all I did was I deep conditioned my hair with the Shea Moisture Manuka Honey mask, and then I did the LOC method, which is the leave-in cream oil, and I used the Shea Moisture black castor leave-in, and then for cream I use natural shea butter, and then for oil I use Jamaica black castor oil to seal it all in. And I did some nice chunky twist out. So all I'm doing is I went in with a new shear, cutting shears, and I'm just clipping off about a ½ inch off the ends of my hair, all around my hair, every last one of those twists. I'm making sure I get the ends off, because I realized that in the middle portion of my head and around the front part was getting knotted, was getting single strand knots, and I remember that I haven't trimmed my hair in a while. So that's why I'm doing this right now, and I need to remember to keep up with it and do it more often. So yeah, and then something else I wanted to test out was the Style Factor Edge Control Boost. I actually saw this on Aliyah J's YouTube when she was doing her ponytail tutorial, and she was saying that it was the best edge control that she has ever used. And I was like, I tried the Hicks, I tried almost every edge control that they have out there, and none of them have worked for my natural hair. When I had a perm, they would work, but natural 4B, 4C, 4A hair, it would never work for me. So I bought the little travel size, not knowing that it was a travel size, but when it came, it was a travel size. and I tried it out, and as you can see here, that's what I'm doing. I'm trying it out, and first and foremost, I have to say this has been one of the best edge controls that I've ever used. It lays my hair all day. And if you guys follow our vlog channel, which is Brainflow TV, you will know that we go to my stepson's football game almost every Saturday now, and I'm in the heat, Florida heat, for hours at a time, because we go early and we leave late, because sometimes we watch other people's games and stuff like that. So I'm in heat, and this edge control holds up. I have a mixture of 4A, 4B, and 4C here in my head, and I have high porosity here also, and this holds my edges down. Like, I normally never used to do like baby hairs and sleek down my edges and all of that, because I could never find a edge control that hold my hair down and keep it down for hours at a time. Literally, as soon as I put my hair down, it would puff back up. But with the Style Factor strawberry one, it held my hair for the gods. And the first time I tried, I actually did not tie my edges down. I just slicked down my edges, left it, and went about my day, and it held my hair down. When I actually tied my hair down, oh my god, it lasted even longer. So if you're looking for a new edge control, I would suggest the Style Factor edge control one. Like the strawberry one, I haven't tried the other one, so I can only speak for the strawberry one. But if you're going to get it, make sure you get the one that has strong hold on it if you have natural hair. But if you have perm hair, I think you can use the other ones also. But that is my quick little tutorial of how I cut my hair at home, clip my hair ends to, and also a quick review of the Style Factor edge boosting edge control. It's a bomb, guys. It is bomb. And you can see how my twist out came out. My twist out came out good. It was nice and juicy, and my edges were laid for the gods. So that's my tutorial for this week's episode of JA Woman Wednesdays, and I'll see you next week for another one. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe to your girl here on YouTube. My part of here, man. Deuces. No, he's sleeping. What gold thing? Oh dear. Hi, Coco.
I got back from school just now.
Did you? How was school?
Great.
What did you do at school today?
I played, jumped around.
So this is the Edge Style Factor Edge Booster in strawberry.
I mean,
And
I played.
and what else?
Karate, read a book.
Read a book.
Yeah,
And what else?
nothing much.
Nothing much. What did you have for lunch?
Oh, I forgot.
You forgot.
Yeah, I forgot today.
You didn't like it very much.
Yeah, I did.
You did.
I liked it kind of.
sweet honey? You don't know? Sweet.
I'm going poopy.
Hmm?
I'm going poopy, so I need some privacy.
Okay.
Hey, all them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. Them a jive by and all know them can't reach. Go and back up for your grandmother preach. Them a pussy on the street and me see it. Go over they go beat and teach. Beat and teach. So beat and teach. So beat and teach.